Sige, let's start now with the discussion. So in the chapter 4 po, students, allow me to share my screen po. It's all about the planning, no? And we're going to discuss the different types of planning. So planning po ito, no? Focus lang sa planning. And under in the function of management. So at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define the essence of planning, understand the concept of planning, recognize myths, realities in planning, know nature, the scope of planning, differentiate advantages and disadvantages of planning. So, dili lang kung ano, advantage yung planning, no? Meron po siyang disadvantages and explain the importance of planning po. Okay? Anong late ni si Dayan? Okay. Hmm. Sige, let's discuss the notion of planning. Okay. The planning is the first now let's discuss no doon sa balikan natin yung what is planning no. So planning is the foundation of effective management or planning is the foundation of to be efficient management. Okay, so alongside the organizing, motivating, and controlling, planning guides every action we take in the organization. Without planning, the decisions become reactive, the resources are wasted, and goals remain unclear. Okay, so mo na siya. And the planning always goes hand in hand with decision making and action. Every plan we create is designed to lead the organization toward a specific objective or goal, and it allows to the management to decide in advance what needs to be done and how it will be done and when it will be done. In simple terms, the planning is a technique by which an organization decide its future course of action. No? So for the future, kan muna ka na, ang planning is for the future action, no? For the future solution, no? In every problem. It also a system that helps the organization determine how to move from its current position to where it wants to be. Through planning, we reduce the uncertainty, we reduce the coordinate efforts, and ensure that all department works toward the same direction. To make planning effective, the managers rely on the key elements that guide decision making and execution. And let's discuss now the elements with practical business example. So, ito na siyang i-align in the business example. Okay, meron tayong 8 elements dyan. No, nakita nyo dyan, 8 elements. Una, let's discuss aim. No. Number one, aim. The aim, it refers to the general purpose of the long-term intention of the organization. What is your aim? No. It answers the question, what does the organization exist? What yun siya, class? What does the organization exist? Example, no, for the business, a retail company aim to provide affordable and quality products to customers while maintaining profitability. Profit. No, yun na siya. No, or if you have your rice retailing, no, business. So you are providing quality, no, na bugas. And also, even you are providing affordable price, quality na bugas, dili kay ang imong bugas kanang NFA niya ilisan nimo sako nga kuha ko. So di jud na siya quality no. No? If affordable siya pero ang imong bugas dili siya quality. So pwede siya makakano. So even affordable, affordable quality para nga naman to maintain the profitability. So dapat maintaining gyapon ang profitability. Kaya basing malugi ka. Number two, objective. Objectives are the specific, no? Objective are smart, no? Smart yun ang objective. Smart gani, it means specific, measurable, no? Attainable. Okay. Sa manang R gani, relevant. And T is time-bounded. And also, measurable goals derive from the aim. No? They give direction and set targets within a time frame. Okay, na kay time frame ani class kaning objective. Now, for example, increase monthly no, sales by 15% within the next 6 months. So, for me class, kung ako no, kay namon ko'y online ako no, kung tawag ani kanang sa ko ang kana kanang sa akong online ako And ang akong objektiba na class is dapat pinakababa na ko ng 5K per day no nga income. And that's my aim. Kung dili gid ako na ma-target, man that is why nga magpa-ads ko, na mabayad ko, magpa-ads ko. Ano na siya class? No, that is why makita mo na yung mga sponsor. Kita niyo ng mga nice sponsor nga sa TikTok, sa siya, kanang even sa Facebook, no, na yung mga sponsor, na yung mga ads. Because naa sila yung mga objective nila class, no? Target nila na nga sales. Next naman is policy, no? In policy po, student, are guidelines for decision making. No? They ensure the consistency in the managerial action and employee behavior. No? So dapat, if you have the company, no, company policy may state the customer complaints must be resolved within 48 hours. Kung na yung mga complain ang mga customer, nandiyo kayo mga polisiya na, unsa man na, imo ba ng refund? Oh, okay, ilisan ba ang item? Dili walay refund, item lang i-is, no? So isa na sa mga policy, no? So next naman is the procedure. In the procedure, that is the step by step instruction on how tasks should be carried out, no? Uh, for example, if you have hiring, no? So di ba, unsa man hiring, so may mga procedures ninyo dira, no? So you need to posting job vacancy, di ba? Online. Okay, pwede po sa gawa sa inyong trabahoan, no? Sunod, screening applicants, conducting interview, issuing appointment letters. Kamantay mo na mag-apply mo sa online. Mabuhon mo, graduate mo bago mo interviewhan ana, screening sa na inyong papel. No, pag dili ka pasar sa screening, dili jud mo interviewon. No, i-screening pa na ang papel bago mo interviewon. Pag makapasar na kay schedule for interview. Okay, so that is the process. Next naman, the method. Method refers to the specific way of or technique used to perform a task efficiently. Sa mga technique ni mo na methods, technique na ninyo ha, specific way, no? Yeah, for example, using online marketing platforms such as social media, email campaigns as the methods for promoting new products. Okay, that is your method, the specific method. Number 6 naman, rules, no? Rules are strict directives that must be followed without exemption to maintain discipline and order. Okay, kanang rules class, it means very strict na siya, no? You need to follow the rules. Strict directives yan, no? Without exception. For example, uh, the employees must log in by 8 a.m. Late arrivals are subject to disciplinary action. Pag malate ka, automatically, letter of explanation ka. Okay. That is rules. For the budget naman, number 7, the budget is the financial plan, no, that allocates resources for activities and operation. For example lang, budgeting man no, within 1 year, no, na kay mga regular employees, pila may sweldo ni mo ana. So, dapat mo release ng 2 million, and that's the budgeting planning. No, kung sobra na po ang income, pwede po ka magpadungag og regularization for the employees. No, magpa-promote ka, no, for regularization. So, yun, last, no, that's part ng budget, no. Number 8 naman, program, no. Ang program, that is a comprehensive plan that integrates the objectives, policies, procedures, methods, rules, and budget to achieve the major goal. For the 1-year expansion program that includes opening 2 new branches, for example lang, kaning program class, kanang in a whole year na ni siya, no? So, for example, in 1 year, okay, sa inyong operation, no, in the next year po, pwede na ka magtukod og isa ka business, no? So, that's program. No? The planning enables the manager to anticipate the future challenges, no? Allocate resources wisely, and get employees towards the common goals. So by clearly defining aims, objectives, policies, procedure, methods, and rules, budget, and programs, the organization can operate efficiently, achieve the sustainable success, and effective planning ensure that every action taken today contributes meaningfully to the organization future. So that's the element of planning, no? Okay? Kindly remember that one class ha, i-memorize na ninyo kanang 8. And kanang 8 ka elements, dapat kabulpon mo unsay mga meaning ana. unsay pasabot ana, no. Next slide. We have the myths about planning, no. Myths, no. So these myths create the confusion of sometimes discourage the manager and employees from engaging in proper planning. Today, we will clarify no these myths and explain what planning truly means in practice, followed by its nature and scope in management. Una, no, number one, no, the higher the result, the more you plan. No, many believe that success comes only from excessive planning, and in reality, po, student, no, planning should be appropriate and realistic. Dili yung kayo kanang excessive kayo yung planning, no? Appropriate lang, realistic lang ang planning. Practical ba ang planning? Dili kay ideal kay iyong planning. Kay ideal class, pressure kayo na. Idealistic kon lang kanang ginatawag ng tugkuan lang ba kanang realistic lang, no? Dili idealistic. Sobra excessive planning kay na siya. Okay? And too much planning can delay action, no? While too little planning leads to confusion. For example, no, if you had a business, no, a small business does not need a 100-page plan to launch a new product. No, a clear market study, pricing strategy, and promotion plan are often enough. Example lang, magtukod kag business. Nga imo ang business plan nimo 100 pages. Excessive planning naman kay na unsa naman na. Unsa na yung business nimo? No bago pang business no, 100 pages na imo ang kuan. So katong kuan lang kanang enough lang no. Okay. Kaya nga naman, pero kung too little pod ang iyong planning class, it leads to confusion. Tama-tama lang ba, no? Practical, no? Ideal, ay, practical and realistic lang. No, ayun ang ideal. Number two, no? Mga myths niya, no? The strategic planning is extremely painful and difficult. Grabe po, no? Painful daw, no? And difficult. Some manager avoid planning, no? Because they think it's complicated and stressful. Mao dyan ang ubahan no, ano uban nga di ko magpa-meeting oy kay mas stress ra ko. Okay, so di mali dyan na siya no. Some managers avoid planning because they think it's complicated and stressful. In reality po, student, the strategic planning becomes difficult only when it's fully understood. When done systematically, it helps managers make better decisions and reduces uncertainty. So kaning sa number two, kani mo na yung mga manager ba kana kung medyo maulaw sila nga makighalubilo sa tao kana kung dili sila approachable sa mga tao so mali yun na siya no Mas paminaw nila nga painful difficult ang process so class dili yun siya mali yun na siya nga kuan no? So you need to kuan talaga no you need to plan talaga no sa systematically para to make better decision and reduce uncertainty. For example, no, a company holding a simple annual planning workshop to set goals and priorities find it's easier to manage operation throughout the year. Before gani mag-start ang isa ka tuig, dapat nagkandak na kag planning. No, dili lang kay imuhang plano lang. No, pwede nimo itapukon sila magpapan ka. Kandak ang meeting. Number three, no, excellent design gets perfect result. There is a belief that a well-written plan guarantees success. No, no. No plan is perfect po, student. Ingon lang ko sa inyo ha. Even lesson plan, tas dili na siya perfect. No? No plan is perfect. No? Plans must be flexible and adaptable no to changes in the environment. So kung mag-planning nga na katong ginaingon ako, dynamic. You need to be a dynamic po. Eh, what if, no, kanang natay planning ba, dili lang plan A. You have the plan B, you have the plan C. No, kay ang market manggod class dili stable. Kita ninyo, dili stable ba? Wata kabalo ugmaan eh. Basig na po yung Nipah virus. No, simba ko palayo. Di ba na itong Nipah virus? So, ana siya class ba? No? So, you need to be kuan kanang adaptable and dynamic. No? Number four, strategic plans just collect dust and do not guide daily work. No? Some organization prepare plans only for compliance or formality. Mali dyan na siya class, no? You are creating plan no for the formality for the compliance. Mali jud kaya siya. No, in reality, no, plans are meant to guide the daily decision and the action. When integrated into operation and they become powerful management tools. Okay, if you have the sales target, no, set in the strategic plan, it guides the daily sales activities and performance of evaluation. Dili lang ha maghimo og plan for compliance. Dili man ay CC1 Auto naghimo ra mo og training design for compliance. So, mali, mali na siya. No. Number 5, only expert consultant can develop a good plan. No, 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 dili pwede nga mag-hire yung kag mga expert nga kan, mga ginatawag na tong mga expert consultant mali yun na siya no. The manager sometimes think planning no should be left entirely to consultant. Sige, may tabo bang maging dependent ka no in the consultant. Mali yun na siya nga decision making. No, so if you are the manager po class, ikaw na day mahimong consultant no. Ayo maging dependent ka sa isa ka consultant. And next naman, the nature and scope. So nasabtan na niyo ang myth no. So nga na class ba? Kanang mga myth mangod class kanang pasabutan na ba kanang mga superstitious belief ninyo. Ano good? Kanang it leads to your confusion, kanang difficulty, ano ba? So mali yun ay mga uncertainty ba? So ayaw yun anak class no. So dapat maging ginatawag na to kanang maging proactive ka ba? No, kanang proactive mangod class. More kag dynamic, no? Proactive ka ba, manager? Next naman nature and scope of planning no. The planning is contribute to objective. Planning helps define and achieve the organizational objectives by deciding what actions are needed in advance. Example 1, setting in a goal to increase the customer satisfaction and planning service improvement to achieve it. Okay, so planning is contribution to the objective. Tama yun, no? So you have the objective, your plan, no? It can contribute to your objective. And number 2, planning is a primary among the manager tasks, no? Muna, foundation yun, no? In a management function ng planning. Ang planning comes first before organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Muna, siya man ang first process, no? In a management function. Number 3, planning is pervasive. Pervasive, pasabot na, naa siya sa tanang level. And every organization, na planning. Magamay man mga dako, naka-planning. Okay. Next naman, efficiency of resulting plans. No, effective planning ensure the optimal use of resources and improves uh, organizational efficiency. Now, a well-planned budget prevents overspending and ensure funds are used for priority projects. Kana lang, no? So, you need to plan ahead yun, no? Gusto mo tag-budgeting na. Bawal yun ang overspending. Next, planning importance, no? We have the planning importance po student, no? For the planning importance, it allows the organization to anticipate the future, prepare for the uncertainties, no? And direct efforts toward achieving organizational goals. Without planning, the management action become uncoordinated and inefficient, no? So let me explain why the planning is important and discuss its advantages, supported by practical business example. For the importance of planning, number one, uncertainty of setting and change. No? The planning po student, no, it helps the organization anticipate the future uncertainty and prepare for possible changes in the business environment. If you have the company, no, a company prepares contingency plan for supplies, shortages, enabling to respond quickly during unexpected disruptions. For example, kana kung wa ka nag-expect ba, nga nag-short na day ka sa supply. So in your plan plus, daghan na ka og example lang no kanang na kay coffee shop. Karon kinahutdan ka og raw materials nimo, nahutdan kag kape. So naa na kay mga contacts, no? If you are the manager class, naa kay contacts, naa na kay mga supplier. No, kinsa nga mga supplier ang mga barato with quality products, affordable, no? So ana siya class ba? Nga na importante ang planning. Number two, focus attention on goals. No? Planning clearly defines the organizational goals, aligns employees' effort toward achieving them. Wala, focus attention on goals. No? You need to set a clear sales target. No? And you need to focus on the employees' activities, on customer acquisition, and product promotion. And number three naman, operate economically. Now, planning ensures efficient use of resources by avoiding waste and unnecessary expenses. No? For example, if you have the production plan, no, it prevents overproduction, reducing storage costs and material wastage. No? So it means in number po, number four po students, it means kanang ginatawag na to, ay number three day, no? Identify the alternative action paths. Means bawal ka nang magkuha no, kanang alternative man. No? If you have mga shortages, so mangita jud kag mga kuan. Sa number 10, if very economically man ina man da. Kanang making control is easier than no, number 4 no. So it means you need to make the actual performance can be measured no, making control more effective. So you need to compare the actual expenses with planned expenses and correct deviations. Okay. So advantages and limitation of planning. So ang advantages ani class, attention on objective. So planning keeps management and employees focused on the organizational objective. For example, the strategic plan outlines the annual goals, ensuring departments align their activities with the company priorities. And number two, minimizing uncertainty. So by forecasting the future trends, planning reduces the impact of risk and uncertainty. So mo sa planning class, mura na siya og kanang ginatawag nato og forecasting. No, mura siya kanang sa bagyo ba? No, na weather forecast ba? Di ba na atay pabutay na pud karon nga low pressure area. So nga na class in planning class, parang forecasting talaga yan, no? So it forecasting the future trends and the planning reduces the impact of risk and uncertainty. Number three naman, better utilization of resources. And the planning ensures the optimal use of human, no? Financial and material resources. Unang planning, better utilization of resources. So, dapat maging efficient ka. No? Economy in operation. No? Planning promotes cost, efficiency, and improves operational performance. No? And you need to, example lang, no? Book purchasing plan no? In advance to reduce the procurement cost. Kaning book, kaning sa number 4 na, no? Asa ba na? Number, number 4, no? Economy in operation. So, it means, kana kung in planning ka, you need to book ba? Sa planning process man ano sa importance ay ano asa mo go nawala naman planning importance adre. Okay, number 4 day no, economy in operation. So it means you need to book talaga no ng purchasing plan. No, book ba kana kung mas ay mohang pagpalit ba? Okay nga naman para makatipid ka class, no? And number 4 naman, economy in operation, ay number 5, encourage innovation and creativity. Planning creates opportunities for the manager and employees to 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 think creatively about new methods and improvements. If, for example, no, the strategic planning sessions encourage teams to propose innovative products or process improvement. That is why class in number 5, you need to encourage talaga na magpa-meeting ka no ng mga mo, ng mga employee nimo. Kaya nga naman maka-create mo muna siya innovation. Kasi mga mga nindot ba, no? Creativity wala. And that is the advantage of planning. For the limitation naman class, no? Uh, for the limitation naman, while planning is very essential in the management function, it is important to recognize that it also has limitation. And this limitation help managers become more realistic. It helps to be more flexible and responsive. So I will explain the basic principle of planning that guide manager in making effective plans. Number one, lack of reliable data. Okay, so that is the limitation na. Planning depends heavily in accurate information. When data is incomplete or unreliable, plans may lead to incorrect decision making. So muna kung ang imong mga data class is outdated, for example lang imong you are naga-base ka ba sa 2022 nga mga sales, no, mga income nimo, class unreliable na kaya na siya nga mga data. If so dapat wala i, i so mo na yung mga limitation kung mag-planning nga na ka, so dapat imong mga data is mga fresh, no, dapat 2025 not 2023 na. Okay, so next naman, time consuming process, tama, time consuming yun ang planning, no, kay magkaon yun sig oras, no. Planning requires time for data collection, no, analysis, consultation, which can delay action, no. Kung mag-planning ka, di ba, magpa-conduct pa kag research, oh, di ba, time consuming ang planning, no. Number three, expensive. Oh, magkuha mo kag researcher, no, about sa imong consultant, expensive, mubayad baya ka, tama, no, mubayad ka, no, so expensive. Sudden emergencies, no, unexpected events can disrupt even the best plan, tama yun, no. Muna yung mga limitation. And resistance to change, no, employees may resist new plans due to fear or uncertainty or change in routines. Plus, isa po na sa mga limitation, no, kanang resistance to change na yung mga employee. Traditional lang gusto. No, what if maging innovative ka ba? Ay involve nimo ang technology karon class kay na yung mga tigulang nimo nga employee. No, dili sila, no, i-resist nila ang mga changes. So resistance to change. Ano, isa po na sa mga ang mga limitation niya. No, kay na uban class nga dili mo accept sa mga new plan, no. Okay, so muna isa po na sa mga hagit, no, challenges. And the principle of planning, number one, principle of contribution to the objective. All plans should contribute to directly to the achievement of organizational objective. A training plan should improve employee performance, which support the company productivity goals. No? Dyan na. Balik-balik na sa no. Number two, the planning primacy. Okay, for the planning primacy, the planning precedes all the managerial functions such as organizing, starting, directing, and controlling. Principle of alternative, number three, managers should develop alternative plans to prepare for unexpected situation. Manang meron kang plan B, plan C, plan D kung mahimo, no, alternative plan. Number four, navigational change principle. No? Plans must be adjusted in response to environmental changes while keeping objectives in focus. No? Kana imong planan class, no, navigational change. It means you need to check, no, ang market trends ba. No? And number five, flexibility in principle. Plans should be flexible enough to allow adjustment without losing direction. Kung planning ka, flexible, no? Dili kayo ideal, no? Flexible lang. Pwede maka-adjust imong planning. No, more example, nagdulag basketball ba? Di ba ka ng mga coach class na sila flexible na ilang planning. No, based sa capability sa iyang player. No, kay bisag ideal kay iyang gusto siya magpa-dunk siya. No, ipa-dunk niya kadigil mo, niya sa digil mo kay tama-tama ra pug height di ka dunk. Ideal kay no? Flexible lang. Ibutang ko na si digil mo dito ra sa ilalong. No? Ana ba? Dili lang kayo ipadang jud nimo kay mura flexible kayo, no? Ay mura making ka ng ideal kayo. So yan, no? Flexibility principle. Yan. Next naman is the planning process, no? Okay? For the planning process, no, no, setting objective, no? First step in planning is clearly defining what is the organization wants to achieve. That is the objective. So you need to make, no, objective po, no? Pwede may mong target within this year, within this month. Number two, developing premises, no? Premises are assumptions about the future conditions such as market trends, economic conditions, and available resources. The management assume that customer demand will increase due to these seasonal trends. Yun na, no? And number three, identifying alternative action paths. Balik lagi siya. No? So, the manager identify different ways to achieve the set objectives. Alternative man, no? So, it means you have many plan, no? Plan A to plan D. Mahimo pa. And number four, evaluate alternative courses. Wait lang, wala nagibalik ba eh? Ay, wala man nun. Okay. Evaluate alternative courses. For that, each alternative is evaluated based on cost, based on the risk and possibility and expected result. Number five, providing options. No? So, selecting the best alternative. No? After evaluation, no, the management select the most suitable course of action. So, katong murag transportation model no, sa CC101 ninyo. Okay, so you need to select down the alternative courses, the alternative path, no, the alternative decision making nimo. And number six, backup action. No? Ano yung backup action plus contingency planning na nimo, no? The manager prepare alternative plans in case the chosen plan fails. No? Dili ang plan A mag-succeed. No? Pwede mag-succeed si plan B. That is why if in planning, meron kang plan A, meron kang plan B. And we have the categories and levels of planning. No? Una, operational planning. In the operational planning class, that is the focuses on the day-and-day activities of the organization. It translates the strategic and tactical plans into specific action. And the operational plans may be single-use plan, such as project or budget ongoing plans. Okay, such as policies and procedure. Kaning operational planning, for example, you have in the operational planning daily work schedule, monthly sales target, no, employee duty rosters, and standard operating procedures are example of operational planning. And next naman, kaning strategic planning po, no, mga kinds of plan ni siya, no, mga types of plan. In strategic planning, it provides a high-level overview of entire organization. It usually done by top management and focuses on long-term direction and goals. Basta, maingon nga ita strategic planning class is long-term na siya. Strategic goals no, from the top management. Okay? And the strategic planning serves as the foundation of the organization and guides the major decision that affect its future. And kaning tactical planning naman, it supports the strategic planning by translating broad strategy into specific action and system. And it is usually handled by middle management and focus in the medium-term goals. So, pasabot dahil, katong strategic planning, top management to. Kaning tactical planning, middle siya. Pag kanang middle, for example lang, middle, kanang mga lead man, foreman, nasabdan ninyo. Oh, tactical na sila. Kanang strategic, top management ni, katong mga manager na ni. Kung sa Tadeko, katong mga manager, no, mga big boss na ni. Okay. Mga CEO, pwede pa na sila. Number four, contingency planning. It prepares the organization to unexpected events or sudden changes. For example, mukalit lang COVID-19, mukalit lang og nipa virus, no? Nipa virus 2026. So, you have the contingency planning. So, pag naay mga sudden changes and sudden happen, no, in the market, uh, so you need to be adapted, you need adaptive, no, and you need to be flexible or dynamic. Yan. Next naman, slide, natay gitawag diri og kapit ta mahuman, no? Authority and responsibility. Kaya pa ba sa oras? 3 minutes. Kaya ba na no? For the authority, no, we have the top management. No, for the top management, who they are, no, that is mga CEO, mga Chief Marketing Officer, CMO, Chief Sales Officer, CSO, Chief Technology Officer, no. So, President, Manager, Director, no. The top management po student, nakita niyo na no, sa taas sa kuan. The top management that is responsible for the strategic planning for the long-term decision making. No, they define the organization vision, ilan ang vision, ilan ang mga mission, the policies, the overall direction ba, no? And the responsibility of the top management, they setting organizational goals, formulating strategy, making major decisions, and representing the organization to stakeholder. So sila nang mga nag-expand og mga company no internationally, no naga-benchmarking, ilahan na no top management. For the middle management naman student, who they are no? Sila ang mga manager, sales manager, marketing manager, operation manager, finance manager, purchase head, no, branch manager, sa mana, human resource manager, no. So the middle management act as the link between the top management and lower management. They translate a strategic plan into tactical plans. Matayin ako sa inyo ha, tactical plans, that is the middle management, no. And coordinate departmental activities. Kailangan ng implementing policies set by the top management, preparing departmental plans and budgets, supervising lower level managers, reporting to performance to top management. Sila ang nag-report. No? And number three, lower no, or the operating management. Kinsa na sila? Mga foremen, mga junior manager, inspector, mga clerk, supervisor. No? The lower management is responsible for the operational planning. Sila ang responsible for the execution. They oversee the daily work of employees and ensure tasks are completed efficiently. Sila ang nag-assign that for the daily tasks. Sila ang nag-supervising worker, maintaining discipline, reporting operational issues. No? And lastly, workforce, no? Non-managerial employees. So, kami na no, mga instructor, kami ang mga workforce, no? Workers, mga staff who perform the actual operation task. So, sila na, no? For the authority, no, the authority flows downward, no? The top management has the highest authority, which is delegated to middle and lower management. And the responsibility flows upward naman, no? The lower management workers are directly responsible for for the task execution, while the manager are accountable for the results. Yun, no? And lastly, no, last slide, the top management, wala na sila, no? The middle management and the lower management. So, the top management, mga president, no? Mga big boss, no? Mga chief executive, tanan, no? Basta na yung mga chief. And middle management, sila na itong mga different heads, no? Branch manager, department manager, basta na yung mga manager, no? Human resource manager, And the low management, katong ingon ako sa inyo ha, foreman, supervisor, ano ba? Head siya ba? Head siya sa workforce. Pero dili pa kayo yung taas nga ranggo. And the workforce ang pinaka-lower. No? Kami na mga kaparada sa stikas, ang maingon ta og workforce, kami, mga instructor, mga staff dirian ang teaching. Ang ang low management na mo, mga program head, no? Middle management na mo, middle management diri is pwede matawag middle management ang amo president or vice president, no? Pwede na siya matawag middle management. And for the top management, kana na ang mga department head. Ay, top management na mo diri si mayor. Department head is middle management. Top management na mo, mayor. LGU. Mo na dyan na ang top management. Okay, so nasabtan ninyo students. Mo na kung if you are employee pa, no? So, know your boundaries. Dili kay employee pa ka, mura na kag top management, no? Top manager na, makaasta. Okay, and thank you so much, no, students.